Okay, first of all, good morning to all candidates. I am Atika bin Jamaluddin as student 1. Today, I will be talking about women are better at than men. First thing, I agree that women are better at than men because they can handle house chores and manage kids. The dominant reason why I agree with that because most of women have been educated to do those kind of tasks since a young age. First of all, even though there are many women who are working wife now, they still prioritize household over work. This is because women can do multiple tasks such as cook, tidy up the house, washing clothes, and so on. For sure, most of men cannot do the same. Moreover, children's problem mostly will be taken care by mother. For example, children's schooling. The husband's duty is only to provide need for his children, while the rest will be managed by the wife. For example, mother would get up in the morning to make preparation and prepare breakfast, not for children, but also for the husband. In conclusion, women have been educated from a young age to do a lot of at one time.
Very good morning to my fellow candidates. I am Nur Aisha binti Mokhtar as student 2. Today we are meeting to discuss about women are better at than men. The point I have been given is women are more organized than men. According to my way of thinking, I do agree that women are more organized than men because women are more efficient in managing time and making life plans. In aspect of managing time, women are rarely hanging out with friends except of weekend due to their own work time. They usually take one day or a time together since they can only meet each other once in a while, unlike men who most likely often meet each other even after work time and spend their day until late night. For example, when there is a free time, women often decide to meet and spend their day doing things like self-therapy such as shopping to release their stress or tension. Another reason I would like to emphasize is women are better in making life plans than men. This is because women tend to think that life goals should be met and achieved by their own effort. This also means that they need to have their own assets before having another commitment like getting married. In that way, they think that they already prepared in case something undesirable happens in the future. Considering all of this, I do believe and convinced that the women have the advantage of organizing life well than men.
Assalamualaikum and very good morning. My name is Anika Sarah binti Omar Saha and I will be student 3. As a start, I would like to tell that I disagree that women are better at than men. One important reason is because women are emotionally unstable while making decisions. Unfortunately, women cannot think wisely when they have intense emotions. The most important factor is women make a lot of decisions when they are emotional, but men usually don't make decisions like women. For example, men will try to sit alone and calm themselves, or at least discuss before making decisions. This is why it is bad to make decisions while being emotional because it may give us negative effect such as lead to bad health due to the decision they made. Plus, the way men think are more matured than women, so that is why most of decisions made by them are acceptable. For example, they also stick with their decision, unlike women who are still hesitate even after making decisions. In any case, men are more reliable when making decisions because they often make it while in stable emotions.
Good morning to all. I am Shaliza Natasha Binti Abishafa as student 4. I would like to begin by agreeing that women are better at than men because they are financial experts in budget planning. I think that women are financial experts in budget planning. Due to that, women hope to be understood and they can solve financial problems, while men often do not think about the consequences of spending money to buy useless stuff. One important reason is most women who are younger than 35 use a financial advisor, unlike men. Not everyone raised in capable family, so most of them are taught to always manage every expenses well. For example, women prefer to collect expense receipts to calculate a monthly budget. Moving on to the next point, which is most women are more concerned with spending for the long term. Every time they spend their money, they always set a limit to make sure they don't overuse their money. The reason why they are doing this is because they can use the savings to pay for their children's tuition fees in the future. While men do not really care to spending their money to buy useless stuff such as modifying cars and motorcycles, PlayStation games, and online games. To put it all together, it is possible to agree that most women are known as financial experts in budget planning based on those explanations given. Thank you.
Good morning once again to everyone. We are here to focus on the issues at hand, which is women are better at than men. I would like to invite any one of you to kickstart this discussion by giving us your point of view.
May I?
Yes.
Thank you, student 1, for allowing me to begin. I think the main reason why women are better at than men is because women can handle house chores and manage kids well than men. This is because women can do multiple tasks, either house chores nor work. From my point of view, many women in this era are still working even after getting married, but still they can manage their time by separate their tasks between work and house chores. Unlike men who are most likely to go to sleep to rest right after coming back from their workplace and have no time to spare to even tidy up their house. Other than that, women are also able to manage kids better than men. Yes, it is true that men as the husbands are the ones most wives always rely on, but when it comes to kids, the responsibilities are mostly carried by the mothers. As an example, the kids' schooling. Every time we go to the shopping mall, we often see that most mothers are taking over their kids' school matters. They are the ones who find the perfect size for their kids' school uniform. They are also the ones who will help the kids to choose their school bags, stationery, and others. So that is why I think those are the good reasons to tell that women are better at than men. What do you think, student 4?
Thank you, student 2, for your opinion. I agree with your opinion. I also think that women are better at handle house chores and manage kids than men. For me, the way women clean house is more meticulous than men, and women know better at where to put and keep things, while men usually forget the items that they put at any place and make it difficult to find. Besides, the way women manage children are also gentler and more trustworthy than men, because men often not alert to what their children are doing. Student 3, would you like to share your opinion with us?
Yes, may I begin by saying that the woman is a versatile person, so the woman is more qualified in managing the children and housework than the man. For this reason, the wife is more sensitive in what is going to happen in the house. For example, they will try to cover dangerous parts to avoid any accidents. This is why women are the best at doing their homework carefully. At the same time, children prefer mother because they are more gentle than their father. So whatever they want, they will get when they with their mother. What are your views, Student 1?
I strongly agree with you because women are 8 times better than men when it comes to look after 6 children which will take their time of work care or other doing responsibilities. However, while women are more educated and more employed than ever, they are still taking on most of the household and family's duties. And it is not just about chores and childcare. Women are also much more likely to be ones who care for sick or elder family members. Although working, women spend more time on work, household labor, and childcare than father. They are not more likely to have access to workplace policies such as paid family and medical leave. That's all for me. Does anybody want to give another opinion? No. So conclusively, all of us are agree that women are better at than men. If there's nothing more to say, let's end our discussion. Thank you for participating.